Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I want to show you one of the best thing I just got here on WhatsApp, and I want to show you it's about locking your WhatsApp chats. So this is going to be very useful for you guys, and if you just want to do this you have to slide to left and you will get locked chat. So click on it and it's going to ask you Face ID to verify, and the chat will be disappear from this list. So how we can find out this content, you can search from here and type the name of the content. You're going to click to enter to that chat. So it's going to ask you Face ID, and we're going to try the Face ID again here. So after they just verify, we got the chats here in our WhatsApp. So if you just want to get back that WhatsApp content, unlock it. So you go in privacy in the settings and you will get the chat lock, and then you're gonna unlock and clear the chats. It's going to clear all your chats when you just unlock it, and before you're gonna do it, just think about it. So this is all about how to log any chat in your WhatsApp. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.